Hover between HTTP request and Slack, click the plus, AI, AI agent. Back on Canvas, notice the three connections. Chat model is the brain of the agent, memory tracks conversation, and tools are how the agent interacts with the world. We'll wire these up one by one, starting with the chat model. Click plus under chat model, and pick any LLM. I'm using OpenAI. For credentials, we need an API key from platform.openai.com. Like most nodes, the docs walk you through it. The quick version is create an account, generate an API key, paste the API key in n8n, and add at least $5 in credits. Save, and select the chat model. I'm using GPT-5. Next, let's give our agent memory. Click plus under memory, and select simple memory. Since we're not chatting with this agent, we need to set a session ID. Set session ID to define below, and then in the field below that, enter anything. I'll just put session ID. Next, click the plus under Tool. Then search for and select Wikipedia. That's it. There's no credentials needed for that one. Next, let's configure the AI prompt. Open the AI agent node and change the prompt source to define below. Here's what we'll tell it to do. You are an agent that looks at a daily quote and its author, looks up additional information about the author and the context of the quote using Wikipedia, then provides a short supplementary paragraph to be included with the daily quote to help inspire the reader to have a great day. Add quote, then drag in the quote from HTTP request on the left side. Add author, then drag in the author. Finally, add only return the paragraph in text format, nothing else. Test it by clicking the play button on the agent node from Canvas. Then watch it work using Wikipedia, the memory, and the LLM together. Check the output when it's done, and there's your enhanced paragraph. Next, we need to update our Slack message. Open the Slack node and drag the AI text output into your message. The old variables are grayed out because we added a node before this one. Just delete them and redrag quote and author from HTTP request. Test it, check Slack, and there's your AI-enhanced message.